Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Knowledge, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to level up your tech game. Today we are diving into something super cool, the top 5 hidden Windows features you probably didn't know about that can totally improve your user experience. So let's jump right in. First up, Clipboard History. You will know that Windows has a built-in clipboard manager. Just press Windows plus V instead of Control plus V to open your clipboard history. And if it is not showing, you need to enable it on from the settings. So let's go to settings and then you need to click on system. And here you see the clipboard and now open it on. So this will help you when you copy the multiple things, like if I copy this paragraph and if I also copy this paragraph and if I open my clipboard history, here you are, it shows you both paragraphs and you can use it then. Next is virtual desktops. Perfect for multitasking, this feature lets you create multiple desktops for different tasks. Press Windows plus tab and then click on New Desktop. You can switch between them seamlessly, keep your work and personal life separate or organize your projects better. The next one is Focus Assist. Ever get bombarded with notifications when you are trying to focus? Focus Assist to the rescue. Head to the Action Center of Settings and then click on the System button and choose Focus Assist from it. So here you are, you can set quiet hours or customize which notifications you want to see, keep distractions away when you need to stay in the zone. So number 4 is Snap Assist. Snap multiple windows to different parts of your screen by simply dragging them to the edges or using Windows plus arrow keys, and you can easily work with multiple apps side by side. So no more messy overlapping windows. And last but not the least, GodMode. This hidden feature gives you access to all over 200 system settings all in one place. You just need to create a new folder and rename it to this. I will provide this you in the description. So you just need to rename the new folder and click anywhere on the screen. You will see the name will disappear, and when you click on the folder, you will see the list of 200 plus settings you will need to search out for. It's a power user's dream. So there you have it, 5 hidden Windows features that will help you work smarter, not harder. Which one are you excited to try out? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks.